Hi everyone, in this video, I'll explain to you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number. Go to your Chrome and search up for Google Cloud Skill. Click on the first one. Now sign in by clicking on the sign in button. Select your Google account. After selecting, click on CAPTCHA, scroll down and I accept. Here on New tab, click on Dismiss. Now look for Explore and click on it. Scroll down and look for Format and change it to Lab by clicking on the box. Now let's wait for it to load up. Scroll down and look for this link. Click on it. Here you can see a Start Lab. By clicking it, it will generate a Gmail and password under it. Now you can copy and paste it to sign in. You can just repeat this as many times as you want and that's it.